Top 10 drinks for healthy lungs, detox and cleanse. Did you know that what you drink can significantly impact your lung function? We often focus on air quality, but what we put in our bodies directly affects our respiratory system. Just like a car needs clean fuel to run smoothly, our lungs thrive on the right kind of hydration and nutrition. Today we're diving deep into the top 10 drinks that can help cleanse and support your lungs. We're talking about natural ingredients backed by science that can make a real difference in how you breathe, how you feel, and how your body functions. Whether you're battling allergies, concerned about pollution, or just want to optimize your respiratory health, this video is packed with information you can use right now. Stay tuned because we're about to unlock the power of these simple, delicious drinks. Let's kick things off with a classic green tea. Hydration and nutrition play a critical role in lung health, and that's where green tea shines. It's packed with antioxidants, especially EGCG, which protects lung tissue. Think of antioxidants as little warriors fighting harmful free radicals. Green tea helps combat that. Plus, it can soothe airways and reduce inflammation. Try incorporating a cup or two into your daily routine. Next up, we have ginger tea, a powerhouse for respiratory health. Used for centuries in traditional medicine, ginger contains anti-inflammatory compounds like gingerols. It helps relax airway muscles and ease congestion. Ginger also thins mucus, making it easier to cough up. A warm cup of ginger tea can provide relief. Simply grate fresh ginger and steep in hot water. Add honey or lemon for taste. Studies show ginger inhibits bacteria causing respiratory infections. Consult your doctor if you have health conditions or take medications. Now, let's talk about turmeric milk, also known as golden milk, and for good reason. This vibrant drink is like a warm hug for your respiratory system. Turmeric, the star ingredient, contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin has been shown to help reduce inflammation in the airways, making it easier to breathe, especially for those with conditions like asthma. Turmeric milk is also great for boosting your immune system, thanks to its antiviral and antibacterial properties. This can be particularly helpful during cold and flu season. To make turmeric milk, simply warm up a cup of your favorite milk, dairy or plant-based, and add a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper to enhance curcumin absorption, and a touch of honey or maple syrup for sweetness. Chapter 4: Peppermint Tea. Your breath of fresh air. Feeling congested? Peppermint tea to the rescue. This refreshing tea isn't just delicious, it's a natural decongestant. Peppermint contains menthol, a compound known for its ability to open up the airways and loosen phlegm. It creates a cooling sensation that can help you breathe more easily. Studies have shown that peppermint oil can help relax the muscles in the respiratory tract, making it beneficial for people with asthma and other respiratory conditions. Peppermint tea is also great for digestion, which can indirectly benefit lung health. When your digestive system is working optimally, it can reduce inflammation throughout your body, including your respiratory system. You can enjoy peppermint tea hot or cold. Steep a peppermint tea bag in hot water for 3 to 5 minutes, or muddle fresh peppermint leaves in cold water for a refreshing iced tea. Chapter 5: Warm water with honey and lemon, a classic remedy reinvented. Sometimes the simplest remedies are the most effective. Warm water with honey and lemon is a classic for a reason. Honey acts as a natural cough suppressant, soothing irritated throats and reducing coughing. It also has antibacterial properties, which can help fight off infections. Lemon is a great source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps boost your immune system. It also helps thin out mucus, making it easier to cough up and clear your airways. This drink is especially helpful if you're feeling under the weather or have a sore throat. To make it, simply squeeze half a lemon and add a tablespoon of honey to a cup of warm water. Drink it slowly and let the soothing properties work their magic. Carrot juice, fueling your lungs with beta-carotene. Let's move on to a vibrant and delicious option: carrot juice. Carrots are an excellent source of beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining healthy lungs. Vitamin A plays a crucial role in the growth and repair of tissues, including the tissues in your respiratory system. Studies have shown that a diet rich in beta-carotene may improve lung function, especially in smokers and ex-smokers. Carrot juice is also a good source of antioxidants like vitamin C, which can help protect your lungs from damage caused by free radicals. Enjoy a glass of fresh carrot juice daily. You can add a squeeze of lemon or a piece of ginger for an extra flavor boost. Chapter 7. Beetroot juice, the nitric oxide booster. Beetroot juice might not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think of lung health, but it deserves a spot on our list. Beets are rich in nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is a vasodilator, meaning it helps relax and widen blood vessels, including those in your lungs. This improved blood flow allows for better oxygen circulation, which is essential for healthy lung function. Studies have shown that beetroot juice can improve exercise performance, particularly in people with respiratory conditions. This is because the increased nitric oxide helps deliver more oxygen to the muscles. If you're not a fan of the earthy taste of beetroot juice, you can mix it with other juices like apple or carrot juice. Time for a tropical treat that's also good for your lungs: pineapple juice. Pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain, which has potent anti-inflammatory properties. Bromelain has been shown to help reduce inflammation in the respiratory tract and thin mucus, making it easier to breathe. It's also been studied for its potential to reduce the symptoms of asthma and bronchitis. Pineapple juice is a delicious way to get your daily dose of bromelain. However, it's important to note that bromelain is primarily found in the core of the pineapple, so try blending some of the core into your juice for maximum benefits. Apple cider vinegar, or ACV, has gained popularity for its numerous health benefits, and lung health is no exception. While more research is needed in this area, some proponents believe that ACV can help alkalize your body, meaning it can help balance your body's pH levels. When your body is overly acidic, it can contribute to inflammation, which can affect your respiratory system. ACV is also believed to help break down mucus and cleanse the lymphatic system, which plays a role in immune function. To enjoy an ACV drink, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with a glass of water, and add a touch of honey for taste. It's best to drink this diluted solution. Now for the grand finale. While we've covered some incredible individual drinks, let's take it a step further. You can create your own powerful, lung-loving concoctions by combining the benefits of different herbs and spices. For instance, try a soothing chamomile and licorice root tea before bed. Chamomile can help calm your mind and body, promoting restful sleep, while licorice root can help soothe the airways and reduce inflammation. Or how about a revitalizing ginger and lemon balm infusion for a midday pick-me-up? Ginger, as we discussed, is great for digestion and clearing congestion, while lemon balm can help reduce stress and anxiety, which can indirectly benefit respiratory health. The possibilities are endless. Get creative, experiment with different flavor combinations, and find what works best for you. So, there you have it, our top 10 drinks for healthy lungs. By incorporating these delicious and nutritious drinks into your daily routine, you can take proactive steps to support your respiratory system and breathe easier. Remember, it's all about making small, sustainable changes that add up over time. Listen to your body, stay hydrated, and enjoy the benefits of these lung-loving drinks. What are your favorite drinks for staying healthy? Share your go-to recipes and tips in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Until next time, stay healthy and keep breathing easy.